Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I show you have in this new latest video your home shelving unit design ideas. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more videos update. I am uploading this channel daily basis new latest video. Here is some possible the shelving unit ideas to maximize your storage space. Modern die wall shelf and wall shelf that can be customized to fit on any room, solid wood and floating the shelving project. A beautiful wood floating the shelf the adds the style and elegance to any room. Homemade floating shelvings in a no easy project that can be done in just an afternoon. Die floating corner sleeves to a budget friendly shelving idea that perfect for corner spaces. Unique die houses shaped self a whimsical shelving idea perfect for the kitchen die hexagon to sleeves to craft storage a fun storage solution for any room. Free plotting to ladder shelf plan a beginner friendly die project that can be done with the just $20 make wood sleeves to with budget and budget friendly the metal and metal shelving to done just in $25 to dye fixtures to upper style farmhouses sleeves to easy dye shelving that can be done on $28. A cute dye wall shelf, a versatile shelving project that is perfect for the beginner. My video part of 2 here is some more shelving unit ideas for you. You consider a dye garage to shelves and simple clean dye project and white dye 2x4 shelving the garage and the basement and easy build shelving for the dead end and the dye storage shelf to straightforward to design the construct die storage sleeves tall shelving unit from the handyman daughter die garage storage living in this video cheap storage the popular mechanics floating die garage sleeves wall mountain she leaves from the uh, instructable this project and easy to carry corner storage shelf space saving the shelves from the canary and the giant die shelves and large storage shelf is designed for your channel your home. Don't forget this like and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more videos update.